Welcome to Detectingbits.com, home to innovation in the metal detecting community. We design and supply upgraded and improved parts for some of the most popular detectors on the market, offering a wide range of parts. We also design and produce display items for your precious finds, allowing you to display them in a cabinet or shelf, along with laser engraved info cards to give you that museum-type display. We ship all orders before 2 p.m. the same day, if item is printed and in stock. Orders after 2 p.m. will ship the following day. Please make sure you select the correct shipping option if you live outside the UK. We ship worldwide every day, so please choose your destination and mailing type. Please pop over to detectingbits.com and see our vast items for sale. Good luck and happy hunting.